Good morning, students. Once again, I'm here with you. So today, see the your book. This is My Living World, and in this book, I will start a new chapter. That is my body. That means revision of this chapter, as I have already explained this chapter in previous classes. So today, I am going to revise this chapter again. So see carefully. Chapter 1 my body. Okay, see, in our previous classes, we have explained that different types of sense organs are there, and they are tongue, ears, skin, nose and eyes, and all these parts can be seen from the outside and are known as what? External organs. So the organs which you see from the outside are known as external organ. Now there are several body parts which is present inside our body and cannot be seen from outside. Such parts are called what? Internal organs. Okay. Now see the system. Digestive system. No, first what is system? The organs form different system, that are digestive system, respiratory system, excretory system, circulatory system. These are the system. So when the organs combine together form a system. Okay, and they are of different. There are different types of system in our body: digestive, excretory, circulatory, nervous. So these are the systems present in our body. And today I am going to explain you the digestive system. See, digestive system. See, what happens to the food you eat? Do you know? See, the food you eat, that goes into the mouth, and then through mouth it goes into the food pipe, and through food pipe it goes into the stomach, and through the stomach it goes into the small intestine, and then after large intestine, then into the undigested food goes into the rectum, and then from the anus it comes out through our body. Okay. So see the diagram first. This is the diagram of the digestion. See, this is mouth, food pipe, liver, okay, stomach, pancreas, small intestine, and then large intestine, rectum and anus. Okay. So these are the body parts involved in the digestive system. Now come to the start. We will start from the mouth. See the mouth. In mouth there are different types of teeth, and a tongue is there. Okay. Okay. So today I will explain you about the teeth. See this teeth. Teeth are very important part of our mouth, and teeth help to bite and chew the food. They also give shape to our face and help us to speak clearly. Okay. And see the diagram of the teeth. This is the diagram of the teeth in your mouth. See, pointed teeth. You are seeing this flat teeth in front of the mouth, and tongue. This is a tongue, and broad and grooved teeth. Okay, so this is the types of the teeth. So now come to the first of all, according to their origination. See, there are two sets of the teeth. A baby is born with no teeth. When the baby is about 6 months old, his teeth begin to appear, and by the time baby is 3 years old, he or she has a set of 20 teeth. How many teeth? There are 20 teeth in a baby, and these are temporary, and these are called milk teeth. Okay, any problem about the milk teeth? So this is called milk teeth. Now come to the permanent teeth. Between the permanent teeth, that means between the age of 6 and 12 years, the milk teeth fall down one by one, and new ones grow in their place. These new teeth are called permanent teeth, and they are 32 number. How many permanent teeth are there? 32. Okay. Now come to the types of teeth. See, this is the types. These are the types of teeth: flat teeth, pointed teeth, broad and grooved teeth. These are the three types of teeth. Now see the flat teeth. The flat teeth in front of the mouth are flat and are used for biting and cutting the food, and they are known as incisor. Okay, and there are 4 incisors in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. See your jaw. See, this is your jaw. In the 4, upper jaw 4 and lower jaw 4 pointed teeth are there. Diagram is here. The diagram is not correct. It is, you will invert this diagram, then you will see this. Okay. Now come to the pointed teeth. On either side of flat teeth is a sharp pointed tooth. They are used for tearing the food and they are known as canines. There are 4 canines in all. How many canines are there? There are 4 canines in all. Okay. Now come to the broad and grooved teeth. The teeth present at the back of the mouth are broad and have grooved in them, and they are used for chewing and grinding the food. They are known as molars and premolars. See, molars and premolars. And there are 8 premolars in all and 4 in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. Okay. They are the next to the canines, and the molars come after the premolars. There are 12 molars in all and 6 in the upper jaw and 6 in the lower jaw. Okay. Any problem? No problem. Now come to the care of the teeth. How will you care your teeth? See, these are the, see this picture. See the picture. This is, you will brush up and down in front. Okay, and then brush up and down at the back, and always brush the teeth with a circular movement. Okay, so ways to protect teeth: brush your teeth twice a day, in the morning and at night. Rinse or wash your mouth after every meal. Avoid eating sweets and sugary snacks and taking soft drinks as much as possible. Okay, so don't take these items that are snacks, soft drinks, sweets. Avoid these things. Okay, visit a dentist for a regular dental checkups. Eat fruits like apple and guava and vegetable like radish and carrot. Such foods give exercise to our gum. Okay, now clean the tongue to remove germs. Okay, and eat calcium rich food like eggs, milk and milk product for strong teeth. And now come to the tongue. Do you know tongue? See the diagram of the tongue. This is the tongue. We are having a tongue, and tongue is having what? Taste buds, and their taste buds are all over the tongue, and at the back of the tongue is for bitter taste, front for the sweet, and side of the tongue for the salty and sour. Okay, and now see, what is saliva? There are glands present in our tongue which secrete saliva, a liquid that is called what? Saliva. Okay. Wait beta, just wait. Yes. And now see, digestion of the food begins when we put the food in our mouth. Okay. Teeth help in breaking the food into smaller pieces and chewing it. And then here saliva get mixed with the food and makes it soft. Okay, and saliva convert insoluble starch into soluble sugar. Okay, this is, so saliva also convert starch into soluble sugar. So here digestion starts. Now it is very important to chew the food properly for proper digestion of the food. Now come to the stomach. See the stomach. From the mouth, the food goes into the food pipe and enters the stomach. The stomach is a muscular bag-like organ in which food can be stored for a few hours. During this time, the food mixes with digestive juices situated by the wall of the stomach. The food is partially digested here. Okay, this happens in the stomach. Now come to the small intestine. See, the small intestine is there. From the stomach, the food is passed into the long and coiled structure called the small intestine, and the small intestine, liver and pancreas produce what? More digestive juices. Okay, that digestive juices goes into the small intestine through liver and pancreas, and liver and pancreas pour these juices in the small intestine, and then these juices get mixed with the food and completely digest it in the small intestine. And the liver is the largest gland of our body. Okay, What is the largest gland? Liver is the largest gland in our body. And the walls of the small intestine then absorb the digested food and pass it to the blood, and blood carries the digested food to all parts of the body. Okay. Now the food goes into the large intestine. The undigested food passes into the large intestine, and the wall of the large intestine absorb water from it and then pass it to the blood. Okay, and the undigested semi solid waste it collected in the rectum and is eliminated to the anus. Okay, while eating food it is very essential to see what should be eaten and how it should be eaten. Okay, so what should you do before eating? You should wash your hands. See, wash your hands before eating. Chew the food properly before eating. Swelling, and don't speak while chewing the food, and eat green vegetable and fruits every day. Eat a balanced diet. Take food at fixed intervals. Drink about 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. And do you know cooking makes the food soft, tasty and digestible. It kills the germ that may be present in a food item. Okay, any problem is there? No problem now. I hope no problem is there. And now see, today I will give you the homework, and the homework is the digestive system of the human that I will send you through the WhatsApp. So you will draw a well-leveled diagram of the digestive system, and second is you will learn and write the keywords of chapter 1, that is my body. Okay, so this is all about the digestive system. This is the keywords. See the canine, diarrhea, digestion, digestive juices, incisor, internal organs, molars and premolars, saliva. You will learn the meaning of these words, that is definition also.